And this one is gonna go up, and this one's gonna go here.
We did this in kindergarten, remember?
I feel
This
like
is not the same. This is the adult version.
Oh,
okay?
okay,
We're
yeah.
at a bar.
you had some extra time
Kevin, this
on
is
your hands.
this is gonna be how you get a date tonight.
By stacking cups.
No, by making
Times are
the
tough.
best drink that you've ever had.
Okay.
Intrigued.
As you should be. Just watch. Do you see what's happening yet?
I mean, it's like adult Legos with plastic cups.
With beverages. Hang on. Then you get this cup right here. I don't knock any more over. Ready like that. All right, and then this is gonna be your drink. Okay. Now, we are gonna make a margarita. Look at that.
I mean, now my interest is really
Kevin,
piqued.
hold your finger right there so this
Okay.
guy quits traveling. Watch and be amazed. Take your tequila or whatever like the primary base of your drink is. For us, it's margaritas.
I like
Put
that.
right there.
My normal pour.
Yep. Pour it all the way to the bend of the straw right there, but don't go over. Very important.
I should be taking notes.
Is it supposed to come out yet?
Nope.
Oh.
Turn this one. This is your triple sec in the case of a margarita. Right there.
Sugar.
Yeah, it's gonna be a stout one. And then we're gonna take the lime juice. And same deal, you're gonna put it right up to the straw, okay? Right up to the bend in the straw. Yeah. All right. Now make sure all your straws are straight. Are you ready?
I think.
Nothing's gonna explode. You will be just fine. And you now know how to impress the ladies. All right. So we're gonna make a blood orange margarita. That's the key to this whole bit right here. Because what is a plain margarita? Not that hot. You ready? You see what's gonna happen?
Yeah, Bill Nye.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Yeah! Look at it! Look at it go!
Wait.
Look at it go!
And then.
Woo! Waterfall Margarita, baby!
Oh,
Yes!
there it is! Moonshiners of Nashville.
Handmade tap. Let's get some cups. Isn't that great? Well, now the real test is how does it taste?
Well,
That's going to be the key. But you don't have to mix it. You don't have to stir it.
this is
Nothing. It does it all
perfect.
for you.
I can't wait to go to the bar and order 10 plastic cups and 4 different liquids in each cup.
No, you just go and you show the bartender. Look, I can mix a better drink than you. But we gotta see how it tastes. Hold on, I can't cut it short.
Whoa.
I can't cut
And
it
it's
short.
almost the perfect amount.
I know. Right there.
I'm impressed.
All right,
I mean,
here we go.
everyone's gonna be impressed.
Get out of there. Get out of there, baby.
Oh,
Oh, perfect. She's your blood orange margarita, sir.